Welcome to the Disney Cruise Line Stateroom Review 9068 Deluxe Family Stateroom on the Disney Fantasy. So we have a maritime cruise, so we have decorated appropriately. Faith did a wonderful job of custom decorations. Thank you, Faith.
You're welcome.
All right. So start out with the power key card to turn on the stateroom. This one has a split bathroom. You got a restroom with a sink, and they provide the H2O and soap. With the light switches. So we've got a full-size bathtub with shower head and bath. And then once again, we're looking at H2O products. And then there is one power outlet up in the top. And the power outlets are and then we've got two sets of closets in here with life jackets out at the top. And then we've got a safe here for the valuables. And once again, there's another very roomy closet. And we've got a set of drawers, cubby holes, we've got some glasses. So some USB ports on the clock, light control, got a phone, light, and you can see it's a pretty good size. This is a connecting room. We've got a refrigerator. Ah, look at that. There's actually a Mickey on the knob. So quite the area for, oh, they've got more additional USB outlets this time. Very nice. Nice upgrade. There is, everyone asked about a hair dryer, and so yes, they have a hair dryer here. It's full size. The couch converts into a bed, and this room actually has a drop-down berth. So this is actually has a bunk bed. So we'll go out here. So up here at the top, we have a very locking mechanism. So obviously you can't open the door. So it's high away from the children. Let's see. Pull through. And you see that they have a veranda, two chairs, a table. You've got plexiglass up to about almost 4 feet high. All right, so once again, hope you enjoy the stateroom review and have a good day.